Hello guys, just done baking my my own version cake. This is tamar cake guys. Okay, and I'll be the one who make design of this cake. This is tamar cake. This is yummy guys. And also, this is also orange cake. My own version orange cake. Just done also bake. So now it's ready to deliver. Dates cake and orange cake. Okay.